Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to spot for all the latest and greatest product insights. Today, we're looking at a blender that promises to take your smoothie game to the next level. The Koblenz Bob Blender, LKM 9608. With a powerful 1400-watt motor, a sleek design, and a number of features geared towards ease of use, durability, and efficiency, this blender has a lot of bold claims. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Koblenz Bob Blender isn't just any blender. It packs a serious punch with its 1400-watt motor, designed to tackle everything from smoothies to shakes, juices, sauces, and more. The standout feature here is its reversible motor, which helps achieve smoother, more consistent results, particularly in tough blends like frozen fruit or thick vegetables. The blender also boasts a speed knob with 6 different functions, which gives you a lot of control over your blending experience. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or blending up something a bit more substantial, this blender is ready for the job. The 68-ounce capacity is another impressive aspect. It's big enough to make multiple servings, perfect for families or anyone who likes to prep in bulk. The blender's design is modern and sleek, combining black and red tones that would fit right in on any countertop without looking too bulky or out of place. The stainless steel construction promises durability, which is essential for a product you'll be using daily. Now let's talk about how it actually performs in a real-world scenario. Setting up the Koblenz Bob Blender was a breeze. No complicated steps, just a quick assembly and you're good to go. I first tested it with some frozen fruit, ice, and a little water to see how it handled tougher ingredients. The blender's 1400-watt motor really made a difference here. It pulverized the frozen fruit effortlessly, creating a smooth, creamy texture in no time. The 6 functions on the speed knob were easy to adjust, giving me full control over the consistency. The reversible motor, which switches the direction of the blades to help break up stubborn chunks, really shone here. It was smooth and surprisingly quiet for a blender of this power, which is a huge win in my book. Cleaning the Koblenz Bob Blender is as easy as it gets. Thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts and the self-cleaning feature, I just added a bit of soap and water, turned it on, and let the motor do the rest. It's a great feature for anyone who wants to save time after a busy day of blending. When it comes to performance, this blender doesn't disappoint, but it's not perfect. The main advantage here is the motor power and versatility. It doesn't just make smoothies. It can blend everything from thick shakes to sauces without breaking a sweat. The 6 functions cover everything from gentle mixing to high-speed blending. And the reversible motor means you can trust it to handle any tough ingredients with ease. However, despite the motor being fairly quiet for a blender of this power, there's still a noticeable hum when operating at high speeds. It's not overly loud, but it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise. One thing to consider is the size. The 68-ounce capacity is great for larger batches, but it may be a bit much for smaller households or those with limited storage space. While the blender's sleek design helps it look good on your countertop, its size might not be ideal if you're short on space. In terms of value, the Koblenz Bob Blender hits a solid mark. Priced higher than some basic blenders, it's definitely more of an investment. But when you factor in the power of the 1400-watt motor, the convenience of the reversible blades, and the modern design, it's clear that you're getting something more than your average countertop blender. For comparison, blenders in a similar price range, like the Vitamix E310 or Ninja Professional, offer similar motor power, but they don't always provide the same level of versatility with speed options and the self-cleaning feature. In that regard, the Koblenz Bob Blender stands out. The build quality here is solid, with stainless steel giving it a durable, long-lasting feel. Based on the manufacturer's claims and the materials used, I expect this blender to withstand regular use for many years to come. While there isn't much long-term data available, the 7-year warranty offers added peace of mind, ensuring you're covered if any issues do arise. Customer support, while not something I've personally had to test, seems to be a positive point for Koblenz. With a product backed by a 7-year warranty, they clearly have confidence in their product and stand behind it. If anything were to go wrong, you can feel secure knowing their customer service is there to help. There's no mention of firmware or software updates for this product, since it's a simple, non-smart appliance, so no updates are necessary. The Koblenz Bob Blender is a straightforward, reliable product, and that's all it needs to be. Wrapping things up, the Koblenz Bob Blender is a powerful, versatile appliance with plenty of useful features. From its impressive 1400-watt motor to the sleek design and self-cleaning function, it checks a lot of boxes for anyone in need of a solid blender. Yes, it's not the smallest, and there are other blenders that are slightly quieter, but its ability to handle tough ingredients and its overall value make it a compelling option in its price range. If you're in the market for a reliable, durable blender that can handle both simple and tough tasks with ease, this one might just be a great fit for you. It certainly lives up to its promise of being a powerful and easy-to-use kitchen tool. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've got any thoughts or questions about the Koblenz Bob Blender, or if you already own one, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to check out the link to get your own Koblenz Bob Blender in the comments box. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome reviews. Goodbye for now, and remember, the best reviews are always found inside TV.